Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use my HealthPays rewards card at Walmart in 2025. If you're part of a health rewards program, this card is a game changer, letting you redeem points for everyday essentials. By 2025, it's even more seamless with updated tech integrations. Let's break it down step by step so you can start saving hassle-free. First things first, ensure your My HealthPays rewards card is activated. Log into your health app or website. Most programs have a dedicated portal. If it's your first time, you'll need to verify your identity with a quick email or phone confirmation. Once activated, link it to your Walmart account via the Walmart app or website. This step is crucial for 2025's enhanced features, like automatic reward detection. Now, head to your local Walmart. At checkout, select your items as usual. When it's time to pay, choose the rewards option on the payment screen. Scan or tap your My HealthPays card. Many stores now support contactless payments for faster transactions. The system will deduct the rewards value from your eligible balance. Remember, in 2025, you might see real-time updates on your phone, showing how much you're saving. A few tips to make this smoother. Always check your card balance before shopping through the app to avoid surprises. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, contact customer support immediately. They're available 24/7 via chat. Also, combine this with Walmart's own rewards for maximum benefits. There you have it. Using your My HealthPays rewards card at Walmart in 2025 is straightforward and rewarding. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.